The future perfect tense is a valuable tool in the English language that allows us to talk about actions and events that will be completed or finished by a certain point in the future. When it comes to mindfulness, the future perfect tense can be a useful way to plan and prepare for future moments of awareness. By using this tense, we can set intentions and create a roadmap for cultivating mindfulness in our daily lives. For example, let's say you have a busy day ahead of you, and you want to make sure you take time for mindfulness practices. You could say to yourself, by the time I finish work today, I will have completed a 10-minute meditation session. By using the future perfect tense, you are setting a clear goal for yourself and visualizing the completion of the task before it even happens. Another example could be preparing for a challenging conversation with a friend or family member. You might say, before I meet with them, I will have taken a few deep breaths and centered myself in the present moment. This intention setting with the future perfect tense can help you approach the interaction with a calm and mindful attitude. In a larger context, you could plan out your week by using the future perfect tense to schedule time for mindfulness activities. For instance, by the end of the week, I will have gone for a mindful walk in nature at least twice. This way, you are setting a concrete goal for yourself and making space for mindfulness in your daily routine. By incorporating the future perfect tense into your mindfulness practice, you can create a sense of purpose and direction in your journey towards greater awareness and presence. It can serve as a gentle reminder to prioritize self-care and stay connected to the present moment, even when life gets busy. So, take a moment to reflect on how you can use the future perfect tense to plan future moments of mindfulness in your own life, and see how it can support your overall well-being and sense of balance.